Hi guys, welcome to the channel Sir Chogyal. Let's hide this widget from a specific URL. For now, this is our specific URL, okay? Go to theme, click here and go to edit HTML. Copy the title of the widget. Left click inside the HTML code and press Ctrl plus F on a keyboard. Paste the title of the widget here and hit enter on your keyboard. Just above this line, you're gonna paste a code. Copy this code and paste here. Replace this with your specific URL. Under this line, you can close the beef tag. Save your theme. Now this widget can be shown in this particular URL only. Okay, let's reload the page. The widget is still available here, but it will not be available in your blog other than this URL. You can see here the widget is not showing. Let's check one more URL. The widget is not showing here too. That's it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.